Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to create text messages between characters in your chapter story. It's very simple to do, but I do want to let you all know it will not look like how it does in the official chapter stories, how it looks super realistic, and that's because regular users like you and me do not have access to chapters originals content. So here's how you create text messages in your story. Let's say you're already in a scene and the moment where you want the text message to happen is coming up. All you need to do is create a new scene, open the backgrounds, click on that button, and then you'll need to click on the drop down where it's underneath scene. Scroll all the way down until you find the phone option, and then you'll click on that. And this basically shows you all of the phone backgrounds, whether it's calling or text messages. For this video, I'm going to select the text message background. And then from here, it's pretty much up to you how you want to customize the text messages. So once you select the character and you start your text, you can italicize it or you can bold it just to make it different to readers, letting them know this portion of the scene is strictly text messages. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what other tutorials you guys want to see, and I'll catch you in the next video.